Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another vlog. So today it is Wednesday, the 17th of March. I just got back from the post office, and then I decided to also go to Triology because I have been very good recently. That's a lie, I had a Costa the other day, but I have been good other than that, and I haven't really eaten out that much, okay? So I thought I'd treat myself today since I went to the post office and tick something off my to-do list, and I deserve it, okay? Oh, it matches with my hoodie. Ew. So I just went to the post office, posted a bunch of hoodies for you guys. So at the post office, the girl that was doing the parcel, she was like, oh, what's your Instagram? I like your hoodies, I want to buy one. So I gave her my Instagram name, which was cute. Mommy. So hey, if you're watching. What?
Mommy.
Yeah?
I want.
You what? So I have got a parcel through the post yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to open it because I got back so late after sorting out all the hoodies last night. I thought I would open this in today's vlog, which is going to be fun. This is a parcel from a company called Sophia's Scentful Melts, and they are hand poured home fragrances, and they're just wax melts. And you know guys, I love wax melts, and I also have such a good hack for you. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, because that is the only way you'll know this hack. What was I gonna do? I was gonna post this. So I'm going to open this now. So let's go. How cute is this packaging, by the way? I just love it. It's got these cute little stickers on the side to seal it that say thank you for supporting my business. Oh, how cute is that? Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, let me show you what comes in here. So we've got this little card, which is so cute. I love it. It's such a cute little detail to add. How sweet is that? And then Sophia's Scentful Melts, and it's just packaged so nicely. I cannot wait to show you these. I don't even know what they look like, but I know that all of her stuff is so pretty. This is what we see. Oh my god, so cute. So this is Comforter, and it smells so good. Cannot wait to use these. They smell so delicious. Look how pretty they are as well. It's so gorgeous. This is Damson Plum, Rose and Patchouli. Oh my god, they all smell so good. Look how cute that is. This is the one that I asked for. This is the only one that I actually requested. The coconut one. And then the rest of them that she sent me are really random. But, oh my god. Oh, it smells like the Body Shop, but it's so nice. Oh my god. These are coconut. They're so cute because they've got like the brown of the coconut, then the coconut white. I just think that is so adorable. I love it. I feel like these are gonna sparkle when I melt them as well. Cannot wait. This one is La Belle. Oh my god. Guys, these smell so good. This one's Blue Laundry. I'm guessing it's like comfort scent. Yeah, it smells like comfort. Fresh linen. I don't know. Oh, look how beautiful that is though. Like, look at that. And then look at... Guys, these are the most beautiful wax melts I've ever seen in my life. This one is Lavender, Chamomile and Vanilla. That smells delicious. Guys, these scents are so beautiful. Oh my god. By the way, these were gifted. I'm so happy that they were because they smell so good. I'm going to burn some right now. Don't know which one to do though. I always get a dirty Karcher chai, if you're wondering, from Triology. And it is a Karcher chai with an espresso shot. But I don't like the name of it. Why is it called dirty? Like, it just sounds wrong. I was so hesitant to try it before because it's had such a weird name. But anyway, I'm going to go and put one of these on to burn now. It's going to be the coconut one. So I'm going to sort out my wax melt basket. I have so much crap in here. I'm just going to kind of sort it all out and throw away the ones that I don't want anymore. In my basket, you know what, I'm gonna just tell you my little hack because why not? So I cut out foil round things that fit on top of my wax melt burner, and then when my wax melt is all melted and stuck in the bottom, I don't need to worry about that because I can take the foil off and just stuck it in the bin and then put another one on. So that is my little hack that I thought I'd share with you. I've got all of the new ones here. I'm going to put them in my basket. Let me show you my basket. This is my wax melt basket. So I have got cotton pads just in case I need to wipe up any spillages. I have the long burning candles, the 8-hour candles, and I have a bunch of those. I get them from Home Bargains. I'm just going to pile them up so I've got some space for my wax melts. All of my new ones are on the side here. I don't like this one. I think I'm going to try and give that to my mum or my sister if they like it. And then I have my wax melts from Stardust Melts as well, which I love so much. So I've got these ones left. I just haven't been burning wax melts very much recently. And then this is from Village Wax Melts, and this one smells like Unstoppables, my favourite. Be careful, you. And then this one is from Stardust Melts as well. Oh, it smells so good, all of them do. But now I'm going to be burning my coconut one, the new coconut one. So I'll show you what that's like. So I've got a lighter here as well. I'm going to take you off of my wax melt burner. This is where you were just sitting on top of here. This is the old one that I did. Look how easy it is to remove. And then you just put one of these on top like this. Like, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it saves so much effort and time when cleaning your wax melt burner. So just sit there for a moment. There we go. So I've just pushed it down before it gets too hot. Grab our creamy coconut one. Oh, I cannot get over how cute these are. Let's put that in. And then I'll show you that when it's burnt a little bit. So let's finish doing this. So I've got, I can move this out of the way a little bit. Can't really see the wax melt in there. Anyway, so I've got all of my wax melts on one side. I'm going to put my tin foil pieces down one end. And then I'm going to put my cotton pads on top of the tea lights, which I just sorted out but have fallen everywhere. So that's my wax melt basket. Not the tidiest, but at least everything is in one place. My candle lighter is in the kitchen because I've got a candle there which I always burn. Also, it's a new one now, it's a pink one. I tried to get, you know, the big ones from Home Bargains, but they only had the miniature size and I didn't have any candles for here. So I picked up this tiny one. It smells so good. It's the sugar dusted cherry one. So that's going to be my candle that I'll be burning the next few days. Can't wait to smell the coconut smell coming through. It's starting to melt and it already looks, look how beautiful it looks already. Oh my god. So it is actually the next day now. I didn't vlog anymore yesterday because I just had so much to do. I even have so much to do now, I'm not gonna lie. I just took my sister a breakfast because it's her birthday and I got back just now, it's 11 o'clock. So I need to kind of just put the washing out, which I'm just emptying out the washing machine. I'm going to put another wash on, so hopefully I'll be able to get that done before I go to work. And then that's all the washing for this week. I'll just have like one load to do on the weekend, hopefully. And then, what am I doing? I've got like reels to film, I've got a video to edit, I've uploaded my giveaway this morning. I don't know if it will still be up by the time this video goes up, but if it is, follow me on Instagram. You know where to go. This is my page name if you want to check it out. So I'm going to put another load of washing on, put this one out, and then I'm going to just get some things sorted. I need to make some phone calls and stuff like that. It's just really boring, really boring. So I don't really know why I'm vlogging, but you know, you might like it. Let's get things done. So, I haven't done anything, guys. Actually, that's a lie. I did some Instagram stuff. If that's what you call being productive, then I did something productive. I made a reel, I uploaded a post, I've been replying to messages. I've just been on Instagram basically. That's productive, right? Anyway, so I just heard a really loud noise coming from the washing machine. I have no idea what the heck it was. I'm going to investigate. Hopefully my kitchen's not flooded. Oh, it wasn't the washing machine, it was the post. The post. What's wrong with me today? By the way guys, those wax melts, oh my god, the coconut one, it smells absolutely amazing. So I just loved it. I love it. Like, it smelled like, oh, I can't put my finger on what it smells like. It's like some coconut lotion or something. Yeah, I think it's from, like, you know, to the Body Shop, and they used to do that coconut body butter. It smells like that, and it's so good. Like, it wasn't even on when I was at work. I came back and my house just smelled like coconut. It was really good. So I really should put one on now, but I need to leave in about 20 minutes because I've just been being lazy. So I'm not going to do that right now. What am I going to do? I think I might just do the washing up and just sort the room out a little bit so that I don't have to do when Issa's here. I'm going to go get him from nursery now. I do need to pick up some coffee. I went to Tesco, a little Tesco Express. Is that what it's called? The little ones, I have no idea. But I went there this morning to go get coffee and some juice because we were all out. So I like to pick up little things that I need throughout the week so that I don't have a massive shop to do, because I have to go up 2 flights of stairs to get to my flat, and with loads of shopping bags it's not fun at all. So I picked up 2 cartons of juice, I picked up some little prezzies for my sister, and I also got Elisa a little treat because she has been so good recently, guys. You know, in one of my previous vlogs I was saying how I'm finding it hard to discipline. I found a way. I didn't find a way, my friend gave me a way. This is one of the ways. So we've got this sticker chart thing that my friend gave me, and she's been putting things on. So I've got things like getting dressed, eating food, good in school, no screaming, listening to adults, and putting toys away. So she's been getting most of the stickers, and she has been so good at doing it. And because she has been so good the last few days, I haven't been doing it for the last few days, and she's still been really good, mashallah. And with Issa it's a little bit different because I don't even know, like, so he does some naughty things sometimes, and I'm just like, I tell him off, but it just doesn't go in. So I needed a way to kind of sort him out a bit. I don't know, it's not, I don't like doing it, but I put him into their room and he hates it. Like, I put him in for like a minute, he screams. So I say to him, you're not coming out until you stop screaming, and then I can talk to you about what you've done. So I've been doing that whenever he's been naughty. He stops crying basically straight away, so I leave him in there for about 30 seconds or something, and then I open the door and I'm like, did you like going in there? No. So if you don't want to go in there, you have to listen to mummy and be a good boy and do what I tell you, okay? And then he goes, yes mummy, and gives me a big hug, and then he's basically good after that. So anytime he is being naughty, I say to him, do you want to go in the naughty room? So he doesn't like going in there. So I know, I'm a bit nervous because they don't sleep in there at the moment, so when they do start sleeping in there, he's not going to want to go in there, right? I'm making a hole for myself, aren't I? But I'm going to say it's the naughty room in the day, it's the good room in the night. We'll figure it out. Anyway, so yeah, alhamdulillah, the discipline is going good. They are being so good. Like, I could just hug them all day right now because they've just been so amazing. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. I hope it doesn't change. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna try and get things done. So guys, I just got back from work and I'm so tired. I was gonna go to get food from a takeaway called Le Godfather, but I drove past there and there was so many men there. I was just like, no, drove on. So I'm just having a really boring dinner, which are these breaded lemon and pepper fillets, which are nice, not gonna lie. I don't think I've got any vegetables to have with it though, so I'm just gonna have fries as usual. So this is gonna take 21 minutes altogether. So put the fish in, just gonna wait until the timer goes off and then put these in. So I'm gonna go see if I've got any veggies. So my dinner is basically just fish and chips because I don't have any veggies, so this is what it's gonna have to be. I'm not complaining. Delicious. Either way, I need to go buy some veggies tomorrow.